a story. Let's listen to a story. A story. A story. Let's open the storybook. The Pesky Parrot. Parrot. Charlie Crossbones had just left pirate school. He knew how to read a map. Aha! And look at treasure's chest. Raise the Jolly Roger and do a proper pirate laugh. Ha ha ha! He had all he needed to be a pirate, except for one thing. He didn't have a parrot. I need to find a pet shop. And then, down by the dock, Charlie found Parrot's Gallery. Use parrot's sail. Get the bird here. Parrot's going cheap. To his dismay, the parrots were all far too expensive. Do you have anything for a penny? You must be joking, sailor. Then the parrot seller took pity on him. There is one bird you could have, he said. Charlie had never seen such a pretty parrot, and it only cost a penny. You've got a very special bird there. Now Charlie and his parrot could sail the 7 seas in search of treasures. Out at sea, Charlie soon spotted a ship. He recognized it. The Fat Flounder, belonging to Captain Silverside. I bet it's loaded with cash. Charlie slipped into his rowing boat. Quickly and quietly he rowed over to the ship. Then he sneaked in through one open window. He was in luck. He'd found the captain's treasure cabin. But as he stuffed his pockets with jewels, disaster struck. Stop, thief! Shh! Charlie hissed at his parrot. It was too late. Captain Silverside and his crew chased Charlie around the deck 6 times. Come back, sneaky thief! Puffing and panting, Charlie only just escaped to his boat. Charlie turned to his parrot with a face like thunder. Don't ever do that again, you pesky parrot! But every time they went to sea, the parrot caused trouble. Just as Charlie was about to steal someone's treasure, Stop, thief! The parrot let out a warning screech. Charlie had had enough. He tried to get rid of the parrot, but it always flew back to his shoulder. Oh. So Charlie went to the local inn for dinner to cheer himself up. The Laughing Lobster Inn Super Deluxe Menu. Scrummy Scamp 7 pennies. Mouth-watering Mussel 6 pennies. Deluxe Menu Crispy Cod 5 pennies. Fancy Fish Cakes 4 pennies. Cheap Menu Shrimp on Toast 3 pennies. Very cheap menu, bread and cheese, 1 penny. Free jug of water with all order. Cheese and bread. Thanks to that pesky parrot, they only had enough money for bread and cheese. While Charlie was talking to MacGrog, the innkeeper, a thief was creeping up to MacGregor's cash box. The crook was about to strike when Charlie's parrot squeaked into action. Stop, thief! What a wonderful bird, said MacGregor. That thief nearly got away with my cash. This gave Charlie an idea. He sold his parrot to the innkeeper. Mr. Grog was delighted with his new burglar alarm. Stop thief! The parrot enjoyed his new job, and Charlie bought another bird, a quiet one this time. Do-it-do, do-it-do. And tomorrow, Captain Spike. Bye-bye, children. Ahoy!